children? Now, take out your English practice book. Page number 18. Page number 18. In this, we will be doing. Now, read the instructions first. Identify, circle, and color the image that starts with the sound of letter T. Sound of letter T. In which you will get the sound of letter T, you will color and circle that image. Okay, this is capital T and this is lowercase t. And the sound of letter T is T. T. Now see, tomato. So you will color and circle tomato. Next is a book. Book. In book, are you getting the sound of letter T? No. So you will not do anything. You will not circle it and not even color it. After that, this is turtles. Turtles. So you will color turtles also. Turnip, tiger, table, teddy bear, and balloon. So see, take the names loudly in which you will get the sound of letter T. You will color that. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.